How to delete background in Photoshop. Now first of all, I will drag this photo to the Photoshop like this. Now I will tell you the quickest and easiest method to do is. Now we'll go here and select this tool, quick selection tool. Now we will make a selection here. So we'll make a selection here by just dragging here like this, and we will zoom in by pressing the Ctrl plus option. Now I will just drag from here. So here is the area that is left behind. So I will select this negative tool and actually do this. So now it's almost perfect. Now what I will do is I will right click and select layer via cut. Now you can see that here you have got two layers, background and a separated layer. If I just turn this off, you can see that the person is gone, and if I do this, then background will be done, but we want it to be deleted. Now I will select this option, this lock option. It will basically unlock this. Now I will select this option, delete layer. So yeah, so this is how you can remove background in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.